Ang ating fourth set rather, ay isang umatikabong umpugan,
yes,
actually.
What? Set, well, of course, Ateneo, they know that if Santiago gets this one, it's bye-bye, diba? At bye-bye for this game at least.
Yes.
But if they have the chance, syempre, firmer grip on that third spot. Diba?
Which is one of the fourth spot. Ako, regalo. Yes, nicely done. Sue Rosas. And 17-14 is the count as the Lady Stags re-obtain the serve, but Taiwan will be serving.
Santiago 8 attack points, Ateneo having 11.
Gretchen Ho with the runner. Long. Walang snap yung palo ni Grex.
Medyo na-bother din siya siguro, nagkadikit sila ni Z dun sa patakbo siya.
Yeah. And it's 18-14. Santiago inching forward, trying to end this game. Blocked.
And again, coverage, poor coverage, or no coverage at all for Santiago.
And maybe that's what Roger Gorayab wants to talk about. And let's see. Here we go again with Roger Gorayab. Hindi ako nag-timeout. Sige na, sige na.
Okay na, sige na.
Let's listen to him.
Lintik na, papindot ako. Pag ganun ko ng kamay ko. Pagkahawak ko doon. Sige, di bale. Joy, sabi ko na sa inyo, huwag kang maghintay ng bola. Kung bumuelo ka. Kaya ang bagal ng kilos mo kasi nakatayo ka lang doon eh. Kung maski o-open ka, dapat lumabas ka doon at saka bumuelo, hindi yung nakatayo ka doon sa loob. Ano pang step ang gagawin siya?
Okay! Hey, time to go!
Ay, wala nang paliwanagan pa. Napindot ng mama eh.
Malikot. Pindot.
Hindi kasi, di ba, yung mga coaches lamang ka. Hindi ka naman tawag na tayo. Hindi mo naman gustong diinan yung isa. So,
Hindi
wala
naman
na.
sadya.
Ayun na eh. Natawag na eh. Sige na. A-argue sana siya hindi niya na itawag. Di ba, meron championship last conference? Hindi ako tumatime out.
Oh, that's right. Ganun nga.
Exactly.
I remember that right. And,
In the meantime, Benting is the one who is puncturing the hoop or the net. And Benting, all set. Ooh, Ateneo falling asleep on the play. And they shock themselves. It is now just 5 points away for Angela Benting and Santiago San Sebastian. She has been the one who has punctured the defense, actually. That's what we wanted to say. And Ateneo gets a reprieve.
Eliza Valdez once again. Ganda lang kasi ng angles nito si Eliza, no?
She speaks her pumbuksingera yan. Ang galing pumili ng angulo eh. Tusok.
This time, yan ang nakuha ni Z Herbacio.
Ateneo may lose this game, but they play defense well, huh?
Oh, yes.
And they really...
From start to finish.
Galito Ali. Wally. Rosas. Cool. Valdez. Ferrer.
One more time for Valdez.
Hininaan na nga eh. Baka maiba eh, no? Kainglet. Garrett.
And Valdez. This time adjusting. Hindi na siya nag-cross court. Adjusted a bit.
Ito yung inaantay ng audience eh. Yung umatikabong action eh, no?
Yes, and look at Valdez wind up for this one.
Yeah, take your time. Maybe Tajima will have to learn that also. Tama ka eh, pahinga yan eh.
Tapon pa lang eh. Mababa at masyadong malayo.
Kita, no? Sa toss pa lang eh, no? Para sa tennis, alam mo ng fault eh.
Hinabol niya eh.
Para sa badminton, pag tingin ka ng tingin doon sa open spot, nakakalimutan mo na bitawan mo na maaga masyado yung shuttlecock. Oh, well done.
Castillo with a one-hand save.
Wally, that'll stay down.
Pinapagpag yung kamay niya sa lakas ng palo ni Jeng.
Time out. Let's listen in.
Isa-isa lang tayo, ha?
Tayo na kami sa down. Yun yung
Wala, puro push lang siya eh.
Ito yung isa niyang pinibas kanina. Kasi sila ka pa talaga.
Agaw mo muna si ano? Agaw mo muna si Ring.
Ayaw mo na. Go, go, go! Wait!
Action resumes. 22-18 is the tally here in the fourth. As you can see on your scoreboard, left side of your picture, San Sebastian took the second and the third sets of this best of 5. Valdez is not giving up here.
That's right. And again, Eliza Valdez getting that from the open hit.
Ginagawa ni Eliza 1 point at a time. Sige. Gapangin natin.
Patience. Hindi naman na naging virtue ng Ateneo from the first set. Ang patient nila sa floor defense.
But this woman is all business.
Yup, Suzanne process. Getting that point, and San Sebastian just 2 points away in taking this game.
The serve. Ho. Ferrer. Valdez. Wally rejected, but it is out. And it is now match point.
Si Jem na naman. Parang namamaga ng kamay ni Jem dun sa mga blocks niya.
Ano ba namang buhay to?
Pero in fairness, si Jem, nandun siya for the block.
Yeah. Hulugan ko nga kayo. Hulugan ko rin kayo, sabi ni Rhea, and Sandugo unable to keep it afloat. It is still set point or match point though for Sandugo, as we have Valdez all set to serve.
And Eliza this time getting the score from the service line.
Actually, nung timeout, nung papasok siya sa time, sabi niya, 1 point at a time tayo, ha? Isa-isa lang. And she's doing exactly that. Wally. Foiling that is the defense. Just a 2-point game. And a timeout by Roger Gurayem, trying to ice the Ateneo offense.
May single block lang eh. Cover nyo lang maigi. Masyadong bigil eh. Gusto makabawi. Lalo lang na bepervision yung pag sila i-coverage ng kuya, pagka lumusot sa'yo, kayo mga nasa likod, i-coverage nyo lagi. Walang ano eh. May tulungan na lang ninyo. Tapos isipin nyo, huwag yung sugutin yung service niyo.
24-22. At parang each point takes so long pag you try to close it out, ano?
And Eliza Valdez now 16 attack points, 1 block point, and 3 serves. Make that another point for Ateneo. Valdez, 21 big points now.
Eto na. She who blinks dies. Setup job. Otaiwan finally! Otaiwan said, I've had enough. I want to go home.
Too much care in this game.
Good fight by Ateneo
That's
nonetheless.
correct.
No question about it. And it is a
This is our shaky play of this
shaky
set.
play on the
Taiwan.
four-set victory of San Sebastian, Sandugo San Sebastian. Back in a moment with Denise Tan and our best player.